Hello everyone, this is my Houdini Elderwood challenge explanation video. Uh, so what I was thinking to achieve is like, imagine an RPG setting where you walk with your hero and there are some secrets on the map and for example some suspicious places. So imagine you walk with your hero and you step on this like a ground place and mushroom just erupt from it, maybe blocking your way, maybe damaging you, or like maybe throwing you like away if you step on it to somewhere else. I think it's pretty fun. So yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Uh, so yeah, let's start. Okay, so let's start with the first part. Easiest one is particles. Particles are very simple in my project because, as I said, I made every texture and everything only in Houdini. Uh, so what we have here is just the flipbooks and some sparks, basically. That's all. Sparks are super simple. It's just a dot texture. How I made it, also pretty simple. What I did is I made a sphere with material and just basically screenshotted it, you know, like nothing else. Very easy. Yeah, but it works. So there it is. And the dust flip books, I made two variations just because I wanted to try it more and have some fun with it. First one and the second one, they're pretty close, but I randomized them for each of the mushrooms. Uh, I was hoping to do some magical dust effect, and I think it works. Yeah, let's see. I mean, yeah, maybe it's a bit repetitive, but I mean, yeah, I'm kind of I think it looks fine. For the particle, it's just flip books. Let me show you. Books number one and number two. Not super performative, and you can see here is some. I had some problems uh, with the size, but I fade them out very quickly, so you shouldn't see a lot of like clipping and the out of the rendering box. Yeah, here's the setup. I mean, everyone will have a project, so it's just a like rendered flipbook exported as flipbook texture. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now the main part is ground destruction and mushroom growing from it. Uh, so yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of things here on the scene. I will explain. First, I have a mesh duplicated here on top of another mesh, and I will explain why. Uh, as you can see, my animation is very light. I hope so, at least. So I have some artifacts. Maybe it's also because different shaders. I have one shader like more stylized with outline, and another just a Unity standard lead shader. Yeah, so what I did is I just took a pre-fractured mesh and just exported it as FBX and animated it into one frame where size go from 1 to 0. So it covers the artifacts and it's immediately disappearing when effect is starting, so you can't see or notice it. Fracture made in two parts. First one is, of course, mushroom growing from the ground, so alembic. And another one is just FBX ground fracture. So yeah, let's talk about it a bit. So okay, here's the setup for the alembic part. There's a mushroom growing animation where I have a rig pose and bones are animated to make it like opening up, like a mushroom growing. Not the best one, but you know. fine. Connecting it to the stem part here. I have some parameters to adjust, like how long it is, how curvy it is, all the stuff. And then we just export it in Alembic. Okay, now for the fracturing part, super easy, normal fracture with two materials, one inside, one outside. And I connect here my mushroom growing animation under the fracture through the collision geometry input to make a fracture look exactly like, combined and intact with mushroom growth. So, basically this is it, very easy. Now, scene setup in Unity, everything working through a timeline. Also, actually, nothing special here. I use some light emitters, then go through the ground in time with mushroom grow. I animated material to be more bright and emissive in the moment of fracture. I use a camera shake through the animation tool, so this small camera shake is controlled by here, just a small animation. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't use anything else for the background, and I use a bit of Unity fog and plane on the wall behind it to give it this kind of magical look, very budget magical. Yeah. So basically, I will also put here a link for all the useful tutorials that helped me a lot. As I said before, it was more like a learning experience for me too, and trying out new stuff. And I like the part of the challenge where you only can use like textures and everything created in Houdini. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.